Hey there guys, it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Welcome to Dad's Week here. I apologize for not having a video up on Tuesday, but I had a bit of a rough week last week and I'm still recovering, but I'm feeling much better today and I've missed you guys and crafting is my happy place, so here I am. So before I get started, don't forget to subscribe to this video. If you enjoy it, please do hit the like button or leave me a comment down below. For those of you who don't know, YouTube has been super screwy, and if you don't engage with your favorite creators, then you don't see their videos either as often, or sometimes they completely unsubscribe you. So if you'd like to still hang out with me and craft, make sure you hit that subscribe button and then like or leave me a comment. So today's card was inspired by Dawn from Dawn's Stamping Thoughts. She posted a card today using the Truly Tailored bundle and then the True Gentleman paper. And I was like, yes, want to duplicate that. So I'm completely changing it up. Hers is a bit different, but mine is going to be, hers is different. So mine's going to be completely different. Basically. So I have a piece of Emerald Envy. Now Emerald Envy is one of the colors that is retiring. If you missed it, I posted a what's retiring list video last week. One thing that I am very appreciative of are those of you who pointed out my mistakes because I did that in a hurry. The other thing is a lot of you said that you've already seen the new colors and I'm not going to show them to you, number one, until I have them in hand. And number two, it doesn't make sense to show you something you can't even buy yet. So that's why you're not going to see them from me. But anyway, enough talking. Let's get started. I have a card base that measures 4 1/4 by 11. I've scored it at 5 1/2, and I have a piece of Whisper White that measures 4 by 5 1/4 on the inside. I have a piece of Whisper White that measures 4 by 5 1/4 for the outside. I have these two patterns. These are from the Pick a Pattern Designer Series paper, which is also retiring, and it's this great Emerald Envy, so I thought we would do a monochromatic card. But before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and stamp my sentiment using Emerald Envy ink. So everything that is Emerald Envy will be leaving. So if this is your color and you love it and you don't want to miss out, make sure that you get what you want. Stampin' Up! Also added new items to the clearance rack. Some of that stuff has been retired since last year. So if there's anything that you've been interested in, I know like the paper packs, 12 by 12 paper is like $4. I mean, it's really, really cheap. And you can find the link to my online store down below. So I'm going to set this aside to dry, and then we're going to punch out some labels. Now the stamp set is retiring, but the punch is carrying over. So there's a really nice stamp set in the new catalog with this punch. I think you're gonna like it. So I think this one is well worth the investment. So I'm gonna do like 4 of each, I think. Does it carry? No, it doesn't. Those punched out, and I'll keep the punch handy just in case. I'm going to go ahead and punch, actually let me do this. I'm going to go ahead and punch a piece of Emerald Envy cardstock, and then I'm going to punch out I just punched out the sentiment. I'm going to punch out 2 of the Emerald Envy. Okay, we'll deal with that in just a second. Let's go ahead and get our other ones adhered. So I'm going to do these. Like this. Kind of where they start hanging off. So let's start there. I'm going to be using some snail just because it'll be a bit easier for me. this here down. Oh my gosh, I really like the look of this. So I'm gonna adhere all of these together. It's like, why is this not sticking together? And then I'm gonna throw some dimensionals on the back. Still working through, still working through. These are the dimensionals from the March paper pumpkin. So there we go, guys. It may be a little busy for some people, but I kind of like it. So yeah, so thanks so much for joining me, guys. I really appreciate you being patient with me, and I'm glad to be back. So all the supplies will be linked along with the coordinating blog post down below. And yeah, make sure you get over to the clearance rack. All of that stuff goes really, really quick. So if there's anything you want, you better get it. And I will see you tomorrow in another card video. Bye for now. Hey guys, I had a change of heart with this sentiment. I think I want to put it on a circle, and that'll kind of break up what's going on behind it. So I have the two largest stitch shaped circles. The largest is out of Emerald Envy, and the next to largest is the white. And that's what I'm going to stamp on. There we go. I'm just changing this all up. These are our white perfect accents. These are retiring as well. I'm kind of sad about it, but the new things coming in are really, really nice. So can't hate too much. All with the old and with the new. And you can barely see them, but that's all right. Alright guys, I actually made one more change. I used these in color acrylic shapes and took away the white perfect accent. So let me know if you like this one or the other two versions. So I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.